I have been investing with Stashaway for exactly 1 year now, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you my risk index and my returns. I believe this video can help all of the beginner investors or maybe passive investors out there. So sit back and relax. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to this channel. My name is Denis, and today we're going to be taking a look at the returns that Stashaway has brought me over a period of exactly 1 year. But before we go into that, if you guys are planning to invest into Bitcoin with Luno, might as well just use the referral code in the description box below. You and I will be getting 25 ringgit worth of Bitcoin if you deposit 250 ringgit. So it's free money, feel free to do so. Before I start this video, I would just like to clarify that this is not a flex video. This video is just to document my investing journey and to share with the people like you guys. And hopefully you guys can get some value out of it. And with all of that being said, let's just jump right into the juicy part, and that is the numbers. So this is the portfolio that I've been investing for over a year now, and the risk index is, as I said, 22%. So let's go ahead and click into it. So according to the overview, you guys can see that my confidence grew in Stashaway over 1 month of investing, and I've been since investing more and more money into it until around maybe September, and that is when I discovered individual stock pickings through another app, and that is when I shifted all my focus on picking my individual stocks. And the reason why I pick individual stocks over Stashaway is because I want to maximize the potential of my money by investing into a higher risk and a higher reward type of investment. So the returns. The current value of my portfolio right now is about 2,956 ringgit 0.44 cents, and the net deposit is about 2,580.93 cents. The total returns in Malaysian ringgit is about 375.51. The time weighted return is about 22.77%. And if you guys want to go ahead and look at the money weighted return, it is 19.68%. And if you guys are not from Malaysia
start running to me, then you start filming,
and is still curious about my returns, don't worry, I have the USD projections. Current value of the portfolio is about $716 0.59 cents. Net deposit about $605.10, total returns of $111.49. Money weighted return is 25.16%, and the time weighted return is about 30.66%. The returns is not too bad if I were to be honest, especially for such a conservative portfolio like Stashaway, and a 15% return is one of the best deals out there that you can get, honestly, for a person that does not pick stocks. And all that you gotta do is dump a bunch of money into it every single month, and the robo-advisor would invest according to your own risk tolerance. 15%, I take that any day.
all day, baby, all day. Can't stop that. Can't stop that.
So, my plans with Stashaway. First, no, I'm not selling. And if you guys are a long-time viewer of this channel, you know the rule, I don't sell. Second on the list is that, of course, just like anybody else, my goal with Stashaway is to achieve financial freedom maybe when I retire or maybe later on in life, and to build a long-term wealth. Lastly, I will continue to add money into Stashaway every single month through direct debit because I have my card linked to Stashaway. Yes, it is very safe because a lot of people are using it and a lot of people are doing this. So don't worry. And if I were to get a job in the future, maybe I have a higher income, then that's when I will be adding more and more money into Stashaway every single month consistently. So to all of the people who are looking to invest their money but don't know where to start or how to start, I would definitely 100% recommend Stashaway to you. And no, I am not sponsored by Stashaway at all. Stashaway is just such a good app, and it's really beginner friendly, and it's very conservative to a point where it is one of my favorites platform. And you guys can see you guys would know how it feels, it feels like I really like this platform, and that's why I have like a seizure and shit. But seriously though, if you guys want to start investing, you guys can go into Stashaway and set your own risk tolerance, and all that you gotta do is dump a bunch of money into it, and the robo-advisor would invest into certain assets according to your risk tolerance. And it's basically passive. And in my opinion, Stashaway is a little too safe to my liking, and that is why I've not been adding so much of money like how I just started with Stashaway. And I have made a separate video on the top right. You guys can click it if you guys are interested to find out why. I hope this video could project an impression of how investing with Stashaway is like, coming from a person who have been investing with Stashaway for over 1 year now. And if you guys find value in this video, be sure to drop a thumbs up, Subscribe if you're new around here and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video just like this one. With all of that being said, guys, I hope to see you in the next video.
Playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club, got you dancing in the middle of the club.